Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We want to continue our learning about Python for beginners in sololearn. Okay, let's go to courses in sololearn and choose the Python for beginners. We are in season 3 and about variables. And in this lesson, we want to working with uh, in place operators. Yes, it's here. In the last video, we're talking about working with input in this video, and now we want to talk about in place operators and the last lesson of this season. Okay, let's go. In place operators. In place operators lets you write code like x equals x plus 3, okay? More consistently as x plus equals 3. Okay, so we can use this in place of this. Okay, let's go and try this. We have an variable in here that is x equals 2 and print x. Now we can say x plus equals 3. It means add 3 to this, and the final value of x is 5. And now if I print this code, we have 5 in the final value of the x variable. Continue. It said what is the output of this code. Okay, x is 4 in here, and we said x multiple by 3 and equals to x. Now the final value of x is 12 because we said multiple this 4 to 3 and saved it in x and then print it. The output is 12. Continue. In place operators can be used for any numerical operators such as plus, uh, minus, star, and blah blah blah. Now it is an example here. So we can use for minus operations like this, division, and powered by operations like this. And if I run this code, we can say we can see that x is minus by 2, and we have 6 in here in place of 8, and now we have 6 in the final value of x. Now it says to let's go and divide this 6 by 3. Now we have 2 in final, the decimal 2. And now it said let's power 2 by 5 in here, and now we have 32 in the final value by x. Continue. What is output of this code? X is 9. Instead, find the mode of x by 2. So what is the mode of 2? Okay, 4 2 is 8, and we have 1 in output, so the final x I think is 1. Now let's go and add the final x by 3. If we add this operation, we have 4 in the output if we print this x, and this is true. You can also use in place operators for string concatenation. Yeah, it's very interesting. X is a span. Now we can say x plus equals x. So if we run this code, we have span x in the output like this. So in the first, we can print this span, and now we are going to add this string to the last string, and now we have span x in the output. Continue. What is the result of this code? X is a, x multiplied by 3, so we have 3a in output like this. We have covered number of important topics such as variables, input, and operators. This can be used together to make more complex program. For example, let's make a program that takes miles as input and outputs the corresponding km or kilometer value. Okay, let's uh, let's try this program. We have a variable of miles and we want to get input by integer. Now we have variable by km and we want to convert these miles to kilometer. So we should multiple these miles to this number and we should print this variable like this. Okay, for example, 8 miles equals to 12 and 12.87 kilometers. Okay, so it is a program, very simple program to uh, convert miles to kilometer in Python. Let's repeat special characters in string. Enter the new line symbol below. Okay, we know that if we want to go in new line, we should use a backslash n in Python. And congratulations, lesson complete. Okay, guys, we could finish this season, and then in the next video, we are going to solve this quiz in here and solve this practice and or this mini project in the next video, and it will be the last video of season 3 about variables. Thank you for following us. Please like this video, or if you are new in our channel, please subscribe this channel. You could see the new courses about programming language in our channel. Thank you for following us. Goodbye. I'll see you in next video.